Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, that is Learn Computer Science with Manik Sharma. Today I am going to share the fact regarding one of the very interesting and emerging topic, that is XAI, stands for Explainable Artificial Intelligence. Before moving to the actual XAI, let's first understand the term AI. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence, is a branch of computer science that helps in developing or designing the system that can show the intelligent behavior. At a very core level, AI is the science and engineering of making intelligent machines, particularly computer programs or systems. In the recent year, the different machine learning or AI techniques have been successfully engaged to solve a wide variety of real-life problems related to healthcare, finance, transportation, defense, weather forecasting, etc. However, one of the major issues with the traditional AI approach lies in implementation of machine learning techniques. That is, one cannot blindly trust the prediction or the outcome of the machine learning model, as that might have drastic consequences. What is the solution of this problem? XAI? Yes, XAI assists in resolving the trust-based issue of machine learning models. Let us understand what is XAI. XAI stands for Explainable Artificial Intelligence, is an emerging artificial intelligence approach. It is also known as Transparent Artificial Intelligence. Explainable indicates that in XAI, one must be able to understand how and why the algorithm makes decisions or predictions. In other words, the system has the ability to justify the result that it produces. In explainable AI, the result or the solution can be understood by humans. Unlike the black box approach of machine learning, in which even the designer or the developer of the machine learning model cannot explain why this artificial intelligence system have generated a specific decision. XAI provides general information about how an artificial intelligence program makes a decision by disclosing the merits and demerits of the program or a model, the specific criteria that has been used by the program to generate the result or a decision. XAI also assists in understanding why a program makes a particular decision as opposed to its alternatives, the level of trust that's appropriate for various type of decision, what type of error the program is prone to, and how the error can be corrected. Let's understand the current and future scenario. Currently, we are following an artificial intelligence approach in which the decision or the recommendation raises so many doubts, like why did the model do this? Why not something else? When do the system generate 100% true result? When will the system fail? When can I trust this machine learning model? How do I correct the false outcome generated by the system? However, unlike the current artificial intelligence approach, the explainable artificial intelligence, instead of learned function, we will have an explanation model along with explanation interface that helps in understanding the why and why not issue of artificial intelligence. The explanation module and explanation interface will also assist in understanding when the system will succeed, fail, and when one has to trust on this particular system. So based on above discussion, it is obvious that in coming days, XAI will be dominantly used in different sectors like healthcare, defense, banking, finance, etc. For more update and technical insight of computer science, please subscribe this channel. Thank you.